Hey everybody, today we're going to be making coconut pancakes. We're going to start with half a cup of coconut flour, 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened coconut flakes, and then half a tablespoon of baking powder, 2 stevia packets, and then we're going to mix everything together, and that is all of our dry ingredients. Next, for the wet ingredients, we're going to use 4 eggs, and then we're gonna use a little bit under a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and then 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened coconut milk, and then just mix everything together. Once both of those 2 steps are done, the wet and the dry can be mixed together. And if you feel like the batter needs a little bit more milk, then you can just gradually add little by little. Then I'm gonna take a crepe pan and use coconut oil spray and just spray it once. You want to start off with the pan on medium-low, and then when it reaches medium-low, then you can do it or put it on low. And then they should take about 5 minutes to cook on the first side, and then once you flip it over, it should be like 3 minutes. And that's how you make coconut pancakes.